everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these Valentine's Day frog friendship charms. I'll be showing you how to make both parts so that we could take them apart and put them together to make a heart like this. So the tools I'm going to be using are these, which is a ball tool, a blender tool, and an X-Acto knife. And here's the brand of clay I'm using. It's Sculpey and it's oven baked clay. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this light green color, which I made by mixing green, white, and yellow. And we're just going to take that and roll it into two little balls to make their heads. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is make two balls for each of the heads out of the same green color, and we'll put them right on top where their eyeballs go. Next, I'm taking my blender tool and I'm just blending those right on so they're nice and secure. And this is what it looked like after that. Now I'm taking some more of that same green clay color and making the shape of its body, which is just a teardrop shape, and then I go ahead and attach it onto the head just like this. Then I'm going back with my blending tool and blending the body right onto its head. Next, I'm taking some light pink clay, which I made by mixing some red and white to make the heart. First, I shape it into a triangle, and then I use my blender tool to make a dent in the top. Then I'm going to cut the heart in half with my X-Acto knife so that each frog gets a half of the heart. So next I'm going to go ahead and make the arms, and for these I'm taking a small piece of the same green clay we used for the body and rolling it into another teardrop shape. Then I'm just placing it onto him like this so it looks like he's holding the heart. I also did one for the back so that it has both arms. And then for the feet I'm going to do almost the exact same thing that I did for the arms. So I make this little teardrop shape and then I flatten it out a bit, and then I'm going ahead and attaching it onto the body just like this. And then I went and got my blender tool and made two little indents. Next, I'm taking my eye pin and sticking it right in the top of his head to make them both into little charms. So the next thing I'm going to do is start to make his face. So the first thing I'm going to do for that is take two little black balls of clay for the eyes and put them right on the top of his head like this. And then I'm taking two even smaller black balls of clay for the nose. Then I'm rolling out some more black clay for the mouth. On this one I decided to do a little wavy mouth, and on this one I did just a normal smile. And now the last detail I'm going to do before baking the charms is do a little bit of blush for their cheeks, so I just took two little balls of the same pink clay as the heart and put them right under their eyes. This is the kind of glaze I'm going to be using. It's a Sculpey glaze, so the same brand as the clay, and it just dries by itself. And I'm going ahead and putting a nice even coat on all of his body. I also did this after I baked the charms, so I went ahead and baked my clay according to the package instructions, and now I'm glazing them. And this is how they turned out after the glaze was completely dry. I think they're super cute, and I like how you can put them together or they can be apart and they're still super cute. If you guys liked this video or found it useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you can catch more of my videos in the future. I have a How to Train Your Dragon tutorial coming out soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. And thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys!